Hey guys, I'm Kathy Arquez. Today we're going to be doing a review on this wig that I have installed. And what's different about this particular wig from every other wig that I've tried is the clear lace. So this is the original transparent lace, and on the right side this is the new clear transparent lace, you guys. This is what we're talking about today. Isn't she gorgeous? If you want to know all the details about this unit, stick around. This wig is from XrsBeauty Hair. I'm going to have all of the information in the description box for this unit. This unit is 20 inches, 200% density, and it is a straight texture. So guys, let's jump into the unboxing portion of this video. The clear lace is the new thing right now, trending. If you haven't tried it before, think about doing so because it brings your wig game up another level. did minimal baby hairs today because you don't need to. With a wig like this, you don't need the baby hairs to hide the lace because it's clear. I don't know what the technology is on this lace, but as soon as you put like gel or hairspray, I just have got to be spray on it, it blends into whatever color you have on your, whatever color you are. So whatever color your scalp is, your skin, your forehead, it blends in and it's undetectable. This is the clear lace and this is the transparent lace, and you can see the difference instantly. Like the transparent lace is giving off like a white cast, and the new lace is not doing that. So that's really exciting, you guys. So don't just take my word for it, try it for yourself and let me know how you guys like it. So the wig is a medium size. It fits me very nicely. As you guys saw in the unboxing portion, it came with a lot of freebies, like tons. This is actually the most freebies I've ever seen packaged with a wig, so that is awesome. And I'm actually wearing the eyelashes that it came with. The hair feels really soft. Now this is in 200% density, and I think it's the perfect amount of hair. For straight hair, you want it to be on the fuller side. This is giving body yada yada volume. I don't need to curl it or anything like that because it's just gorgeous in its natural state, which I prefer anyway. So I prefer it to be straight hair to be straight, because that's the whole point of us buying straight hair, is for it to be straight. So no, I didn't want to curl it today. I just did a little part, and you guys can see that part is so beautiful, so deep. The knots are really fine on this wig, so you don't actually need to bleach the knots if you don't want to. I decided to do that just because I'm extra, and you guys know that's just my thing. And it is true to length. 20 inches on me will not hit me the same spot as it would somebody else who's shorter. So the 20 inches on me is going right slightly under my boobies. Keep that in mind, you guys, if you're wondering for like what length you should get. I am 5'9", so I am quite tall, so if you're shorter, it's gonna be a lot longer. There's no tangling, there's no shedding as I'm running my hands through it, and I can't get over how beautifully constructed the wig is. From the lace to the knots to the thickness, the density, and the softness of the hair, it is of quality. So if you want a quality wig that's like gonna last you for a really long time, I believe that this is that. And I definitely want to go ahead and give this a caviar Kes approval because it is of quality and it definitely meets my standards for straight hair. Maybe in the future I can bring you guys some other options, but this hair in particular feels very gorgeous. It feels very soft and I'm loving it. So I definitely recommend it, you guys. Check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box below. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section, or just simply say hi. If you enjoyed this video, let me know that too. Hopefully you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out. I wanted to wrap this video up here, and thank you so much if you've made it this far. I really do appreciate it, and I'm gonna catch you guys in another video. Bye!